In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from Google Drive on Windows or Mac. Whether you're using Google Drive for work or personal storage, sometimes you just need to log out. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring it's as straightforward as possible. First, if you're using a Windows computer, start by clicking on the Windows icon, usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu, giving you access to all the applications installed on your computer. If you're on a Mac, you'll want to open your Finder, which is akin to the Windows Start menu, to find your applications. Next, in the search bar or directly within your app listings, look for Google Drive. It helps to type Google Drive into the search bar if you have a lot of applications installed. On a Mac, within Finder, use the magnifying glass to find it quicker. Once you've located Google Drive, look closely. It might be hidden among other Google apps that you may have installed. Now, let's launch the app. Double-click on the Google Drive icon, and this should prompt the application to open. You might notice that it takes a few seconds to start, especially if it's the first time running on your device after a restart. Patience here saves you from trying to open it multiple times unnecessarily. Once Google Drive is open, you'll see its main interface. What you're looking for next is your profile indicator, usually found in the top right corner of the window. Your initials should be displayed there, reflecting the Google account currently logged into this app. Click on these initials to reveal a drop-down menu. If you have any trouble finding your initials, remember that clicking around this area near the top right will help you navigate quickly to what you need. In this drop-down menu, you'll find several options related to your account. Among these, look for the Disconnect Account option. Clicking this will log you out of Google Drive and unlink the account from your application on this device. This action doesn't delete any files stored in your Google Drive. It merely signs you out of the application. You might be asked to confirm your decision to disconnect, often making sure this is what you intended. Affirm your choice to complete the process. Now, you're successfully logged out, protecting your files and ensuring no unauthorized access. That's it. Logging out of Google Drive on either Windows or Mac is as simple as these few steps. Should you need to log back in again, you can follow the same startup steps but choose to log in instead. Thanks for watching, and hopefully, this helps keep your digital workspace secure and organized.